See, we got all these little creeks that we're having to cross. So you take your pick. You can either balance yourself over these little rocks, or you can just sludge right through the water. My feet are wet anyways. I guess it really doesn't matter anymore. And also I blew out the left sole of my shoe now. So before it was just the right one, which I showed you earlier. Now we got the left one also. Yep. Left shoe is fried. Both shoes are fried.